The first thing you will need to do is to download Adobe Digital Editions. With your laptop, download the application for Windows and follow the prompts thereafter. Now you will need to create an Adobe Id. Search for this in Google and click on Adobe Account. Follow the instructions on the following screens. You will want to create an account and fill in your details. You will need this when prompted by Adobe Digital Editions. Now head to the Waipa District Library's eBook catalogue. You will want to sign in using your barcode and the last 4 digits of your library card, which is your PIN. Then you can start browsing. After you've chosen an author or a subject or a title, click on the item you wish to borrow. Then click on Borrow. You'll come up with some options here. Please select Reading Options. This will open a new screen. From this screen, you will want to click on Read via Adobe. A file will download to the bottom left-hand side of your screen. If you are using Explorer, it may download to the top right-hand side. The principles are the same. Now click on this file. You will see the publication loaded in your Adobe Digital Editions. Now you will want to plug in your Kobo eReader. At the pop-up, click Connect. Once connected, the following screen will show up and will remain on the screen while you're working in Digital Editions. On your laptop in Adobe Digital Editions, you will see that your Kobo eReader is now showing. It's now time to transfer the book across. Place your cursor over the first book you wish to transfer. Hold down on the mouse and drag it across to the left where the Kobo eReader name is. When a green cross appears, let go of your mouse and repeat if you need to. On Adobe Digital Editions, you will see it is copying to your device. There will also be a pop-up on your eReader to say Importing. You need to make sure you eject the eReader from your computer using the Safely Remove Hardware icon on the taskbar. Once you're unplugged, your book should be showing in your library. Click on the title you wish to read and you should be able to read your publication. When you're finished, it's time to return to the Waipa District Library's eBook catalogue and return your loan. You can click on Loans and then press Return. You can only have 5 items out on your card at any one time. Happy reading.